Hello, InfoHOA is pleased to announce our brand new app. This app works on both Apple and Android devices. And just like the InfoHOA portal website for your association, the app features your community documents, community calendar, your account information, and more in an easy-to-use on-the-go mobile app. In order to use the app, you will first need to download the app through the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. To download it on the Apple App Store, you will need to search for InfoHOA. In your search, you will see InfoHOA.com Homeowner app. You will select that title, and it will bring you to the page of the app. You can either download the app from here or click on the red square with the White House icon to find out more information about the app before downloading. From here, you can find out more information or you can download as well. On the Google Play Store, to access the app, you will also search InfoHOA. You will see a series of HOA apps. The one you would like is the InfoHOA.com Homeowner app with the red box and the White House icon. You will select that app, and from here, you can read more about the app and install the app. Once you have it downloaded on your device, you can open up the app, and the first time you open it up after downloading, you will have a series of introduction slides. On these introduction slides, it will give you more information about the app, and you can click on Next to get more information, or on the top left, you can click Skip to skip the introduction slides. These slides will only show the first time that you have opened the app after downloading. Once you've gone through the introduction slides, if you are registered for the InfoHOA website portal, you can go ahead and sign in using your email address and password. The credentials you have for the InfoHOA website are the same you will have for the mobile app. If you are not registered for the website, you can register here on the mobile app by clicking on Register. You will complete your registration by filling in all the fields with the red asterisk. Once you have completed your registration, a member of our customer service team will review your registration and you will receive an email. That email will have you finalize your registration and set up your password. Please allow 1 business day for this to occur. Once your registration is complete, you can log into the app and into the website. When logging into the app, if you forget your password, there is a forgot password link. There is also a remember my username. This will keep you logged into the app, so please only use this on secure devices as it will keep you automatically in the app. Once you've signed in, it'll bring you to the main dashboard page. On our dashboard page, we have our account information of our account number, our property address, our current balance. We can access our account info, make a payment. If our association has work orders, we can access them from here. At the bottom of the screen, you'll notice several different icons. One is our dashboard icon, which is the main page we are on right now. To the right of that is our payments icon, where we can make a payment. There is the calendar, and then there's documents. Up on the top left, you may have noticed 3 lines. That will give us access to the main menu, which we will go over shortly. We will start by looking at the account info page. To access the account info page, you can access it here right on the dashboard by clicking on the oval that says account info just above the balance. On here, you can look at a different date range and see your account history of your transactions. You can see what assessments have been put on your account and what has been paid. You can also access the Pay Now button from here as well. So if you have a balance on your account or if you have an upcoming assessment and you want to go ahead and pay for it online, you can pay for it from here. So we're going to click on the Pay Now button. Here it will give you the options for e-check, credit card, or recurring payments for both e-check and credit card. Please note that all these payments online are processed by a third-party vendor, and there is a fee that is assessed by that third-party vendor. Next, we're going to go back to our main dashboard page and access our work orders. Not every association will have this. It just depends on your type of association. So if our association has work orders, we can access this page and we can add new work orders here. We can see closed work orders that we had and open work orders. To see our open or closed existing work orders, we will click on the arrow that is next to that particular work order. So if I'm looking at the work order about the broken gutter and I click on the arrow next to it, I can see more information about this closed work order that I had and any notes associated with it. Next, we're going to hit the quick link calendar button on the bottom, and that will bring us to all the calendar events that are also found on our portal website. These calendar events are going to be organized by month, and at the top where you have the left and right arrows, you can see previous months and upcoming months for their events. We can scroll through and see all of our events for that particular month. If we want more detail on a specific event, all you need to do is click on the arrow next to that event. So I'm going to look at the event from October 4th on the recycling pickup. And there I can see more information about that recycling pickup. Next, we're going to hit the quick link for our Documents tab. Our documents are all going to be organized in folders just like on the website. And you can see how many documents are in each folder. There is also, if you notice on some of these screens, a help button. If you click on the help button, it will give you more information about how to access items in that particular folder. So in the documents, it will give you more information. If you had more information you needed on another screen, you can click on the help as well. In this case, it's explaining how we can access information in the documents. So I'm going to go ahead and look at our certificate of incorporation folder. And there's our file. It'll tell me when it was uploaded and the file size. If I want to actually open the file, I will need to click on the arrow next to it. Before I do that, if you notice at the top, there is search file. If there are numerous files within a folder, you can search for keywords to try to save the time of scrolling. So here's our file. And now I'm going to go back to our app. And here we're back on the Documents tab. From here, I want to look at our main menu. There's other options on our app besides these quick links that you find at the bottom. To access them, you're going to click on the three lines on the top left of your screen. Here we have our name and our property address. We can access our profile information by clicking on that, but we'll go over that in one moment. We then have access to our calendar, documents, contact info. So if we want to look at what contact info we have, we're going to click on that. And it's going to remind us of our email address in which we can contact to get any questions or to find out more information. Then we want to look at the news. So I'm going to go ahead and click on news. News are all the broadcast messages that are found on the main page of your portal. So when you're on the website, and you may have noticed at the bottom of the main page, there's these scrolling messages. Well, in the app, this is categorized under news. So here, our example community is located in a cold weather climate area. So we have news about who handles our snow plowing. So here's our message about that. And if I was to open the message by clicking on the arrow, it will tell me more information about who's going to handle the community roads. Also in our menu, we had our profile. So I'm going to go ahead to my profile. Under my profile, there is a number of options. One, we have our name in there, account number, and address. If we need to update our phone number, we can update it from here. Towards the bottom, there's also some different options for opting in and opting out of certain notifications. If our community has a directory, there's also opt-in and opt-out options for that as well. But if my property is maybe in both a master and subordinate association, or if I own more than one property and I want to see my other accounts, from the My Profile screen, if you notice on the top right under Help, there is a Switch Account button. This is also found on our main dashboard page. But if we were to click Switch Account, this will allow us to switch to our other accounts that we have also within the InfoHOA. So we can switch to our other account, see our balance, see if it's a different association, see any other files we need from there. So we click it and click Switch Account. Well, we're very excited about this brand new app, and we hope that you take full advantage of it. If you have any questions, please contact us at admin@infohoa.com. Thank you and have a great day.